Artificial intelligence is likely the best or the worst thing to happen, says Stephen Hawking.
Hi guys, this is Roshan and Kalparuksha. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program to learn and to think. AI is undoubtedly a great tool for development currently. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized technologies in almost all industries and has led to great development across the globe. But AI is still in its developing phase and it can pose great danger to human race if not managed properly. There are many areas in artificial intelligence which has to be looked into and can also pose great danger. But it is best that if these dangers can be looked into now and discussed now so that it can be anticipated and managed properly. Just like a coin which has two faces, artificial intelligence has both pros and cons. Now first let's look into the disadvantages.
Disadvantage 1. Invasion of privacy.
Privacy is a basic human right that every single individual deserves. But unfortunately, AI has snatched it out from our hands. Even now, it is easy to track you. Latest technologies like face recognition can identify you in an immensely crowded area in just seconds. In fact, China is currently working on social credit system which will be powered by artificial intelligence. This is a prime example of how AI can access into every part of our life.
Disadvantage 2. Loss of jobs.
According to the report by Global Institute, around 800 million jobs will be lost by 2030 due to automation. So now a question arises, what about those people who are going to be left unemployed? Who is going to look after these people? This indeed will also increase the gap between the rich and the poor even further. So a new social setup will have to be generated in the scenario so that every single individual earns.
Disadvantage 3. Autonomous weapons.
These killer robots are military robots which search for their aim and target independently by pre-programmed instructions. But tragically, what if they fail in distinguishing between their targets and innocent people and kill them by mistake? Who is going to be responsible for this? Keeping these problems in mind, in 2018 it was decided that these robots will take the final commands from human beings before their attack. But these problems will increase exponentially in future with the increase of technology.
Advantage 1. Reduction in human error.
The phrase human errors was born because human beings commit mistakes from time to time. However, computers do not commit these mistakes if they are programmed properly. So reduction of errors and the chance of reaching greater accuracy with a greater degree of precision is an easy job with AI. For instance, weather forecasting is a domain where AI has been used to reduce errors.
Advantage 2. Availability of 24/7.
An average human being can work 4 to 6 hours a day without a break. A human being is built in such a way that they take out some time to refresh themselves and to get ready for a new day of work. They also consume time for their personal life. We can use AI machines and make them work 24/7 without a break, and they do not get bored unlike human beings. For instance, educational institutions and helplines are making use of AI machines in order to queries and also to solve their issues effectively.
Advantage 3. Takes risks instead of humans.
This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome a huge number of risky limitations of human beings with the usage of AI robots. Have you heard of the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion that happened in Ukraine? At that time, we did not have these AI robots which could help us minimize the effect of radiation by extinguishing the fire. Many people lost their life in order to move closer to the core. In such situation, AI robots are of huge help where intervention is hazardous.
Advantage 4. New innovations.
AI is powering new innovations in almost every single field or domain that will help human beings solve majority of their complex problems. For instance, in recent days, doctors have diagnosed and predicted breast cancers in women's in an earlier stage using advanced AI technologies. Just like a brighter side has a darker version of it, AI also has both of it. Therefore, I would like to conclude like this. Artificial intelligence, in my view, is both a boon and a curse for the generations to come. Let's see what the future has for us. Thank you. This is your Roshan and Kalparuksha.